So we just checked into our hotel in Memphis. It's called Arrive, and it's the coolest place. Love that brick wall. Nice king bed. Love the rug there. You can see into the bathroom. I'll show you that in a minute. It has this huge sliding mirrored glass door, which reveals the closet area. And there's robes for us in here. There's a little nook with a fridge that's in there. Over here, there's a little reading nook, some reading material. There's a desk with a TV above it. 509, that's us. They gave us some complimentary drinks in the lobby, and the lobby's so cool, y'all. There's live music down there. This is just an awesome building. So when I slid that door back a while ago, it becomes the mirror for the bathroom. Don't you love this faucet here for the sink? Love this light fixture. Trent loves this place. He loves pet-friendly hotels. Huge shower, little teakwood bench. There's the toilet area and a full-length mirror back there. So anyway, just a very cool place. Love it.